Okay, I'm going to set up this greenhouse effect lab because we're going to do it different than the instructions say. First of all, I have my beakers set up. I have my beakers set up. 3 beakers, my control that doesn't have any plastic, and you see the ruler is taped 3 centimeters from the bottom on all 3 of them. That's a constant. Then this is my number 2 beaker. It has clear plastic wrap, and I've kind of taped it down. And then this is my number 3 beaker that is going to have the clear plastic wrap plus carbon dioxide to see if there's any difference in adding carbon dioxide, to the system. Okay, so see if this will stand up. No, it won't. Okay, I'm going to turn it sideways. Okay. It says to get the mass of 5 grams of baking powder. So I'm going to do that. So I got this zeroed, and I'm going to get a weigh boat, and then find the mass of the weigh boat, which should be about 3 grams. This might be better. Here, it's easier to see. Okay. Anyway, this should be about 3 grams. Okay, we're going to have a chemical reaction and make some carbon dioxide. Now, we're not going to use the beakers like they have in the setup. I made you these little setups that work better. You're going to take the stopper off to put your baking soda in the Florence flask, and then you're going to put this on there, stop it up, pour your 20 mils of vinegar in the funnel, and then stop it up because you can bend it, or stop it up because then so the gas won't escape. The gas is going to be down at the bottom. Okay, so I'll show you how to do this. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, how about that? That's a little better. All right, so I've got my baking soda, and 5 grams is just a couple of scoops. Okay, so I've got my my weigh boat at 2 grams. So I know it weighs 2 grams or has a mass of 2 grams. So I'm going to set this over to 7 so that I know when it gets back to the 0 that it will be 5 grams. So, not yet. That's too much. You don't want to put too much in there. Okay, that's about right. Set the riders back to 0. Go put this up. Okay, now I have quite an assortment of lab apparatus here. Got all different sizes of graduated cylinders, so be sure you pick the right one. But I'll let you do that. And the instructions say that you need 20 mils. So I used all the funnels. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to add 20 mils. And you can use a pipette if you need to, which I don't because I'm so good. Okay, then I'm going to, you can see how my setup is here. It says to set the lamp about 7 centimeters, so I'm going to have them all like that so that the light will be even, across all of them. Alright, so I'm going to add my baking soda. And these are disposable weigh boats, but you know, we can use them for the day, so try not to trash them. And you don't want this tube down there too far, but I tell you, if you pull it out, it's not going back. So you'll be out of an apparatus if you do that. Okay, so I've got my baking soda in there, got this on good, and I'm going to go ahead and pour this in. Once it comes out, I'm going to go ahead and let the gas form. Now you don't want to let the liquid get in here. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the gas. If you just do this, the gas will go in the beaker. Okay, and then you want to tape the beaker up. All right, then you're going to take the temperature every 10 minutes, okay, you're going to take the temperature every minute until you get the same temperature 3 minutes in a row. Then you're going to turn the light off. So the light on represents the daytime, light off represents the nighttime. And so you'll do this for 15 minutes, and then you have, so that's your data collection, and that's the part you can do together, and that's what you need to have finished before you leave class today.